Good morning, welcome to Fito Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make Khao Mun Gai sauce. Because this video going to be two parts. Yeah, the first one, how to make the sauce, and the second one, how to make the chicken and steamed rice. Okay, and the ingredient for the sauce, not many, but quite a lot. I don't know why today excited. Right, okay, to the first one, yeah, of course chili. You can put as you like, and about 10 cloves of garlic, coriander root, and just normal coriander, ginger, fresh lime, white vinegar, sweet dark soy sauce, yellow beans. You can this one for the Chinese one, you can have from the Thailand one also, but this one all the ingredients we have in the kitchen. Okay, and the pickled garlic, but we use only the water, we don't use the garlic, just the water. Okay, right, now should we start now? First we need to peel the ginger. You can use knife or can use the spoon, but I think I use knife, more easy, more convenient for you, or for me, not for you. Okay, we take the skin out first. Okay, the ginger you slice into small dice. You know how to slice like this. Okay, I forgot to say this one, the ginger, about 100 grams of ginger. If you like, you can put more, but some people they use the machine, yeah, to grind it, but I slice into small. When you eat, you feel you can bite ginger, because I like in the small pieces, you can see and can feel when you eat. Yeah, today no cooking, only slice. And then, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cloves of garlic. Also you slice the same size and mix with ginger. And then a few pieces of coriander root. You slice it, mix together. And fresh chilli. You put 10, 20, 15, or as you like, yeah, how hot you can handle. And then coriander with leaf, we just slice on together into the small pieces. And then we mix on together and chop more, make it fine. And then now we're going to make the taste. Yeah, I put yellow bean. You can use the machine here to grind it, make it become very fine. But I use the mortar stone. See?
เก่งมาก
Put 4 tablespoons because this one very salty. That's why we don't need any fish sauce or soy sauce. Just use one sauce enough. And then just like that, and then we put in the bowl. Then we put more gravy. And sweet soy sauce. Yeah, dark sweet soy sauce. 4 tablespoons. Okay. White vinegar. 3 tablespoons. And fresh lime. And pickled garlic. Just use the gravy. Yeah, 3 tablespoons. Yeah, that's it. And now you can mix it. That's why I don't like to be very fine. When you bite, you can feel all the herb or the ingredient. So we need more sweet soy sauce. Another 2 tablespoons.
keep in the fridge
Normally, if you want the taste stay same, only a few days, but you can keep longer, but the taste change a bit. Okay, this one how the sauce look like, and the sauce is the most important for chicken rice, right? And then this one it show chicken rice good or not good depend on the sauce. Next video it's been about next week we're going to show how to cook the rice, how to steam, how to boil the chicken and the soup and eat with this sauce.